Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're blessing these booster packs so that it has a good card in it. So far you're 3 out of 4. Let it finish. Alright guys, the bunny did his magic. The Easter bunny. Now let me open this pack. Alright guys, Energy, Digging Duo, Giraffe Ridge, Pincherton, Salandit, Energy Search, Grubin, Sprout, Wooloo, Tracking Shoes, and we got a Stupid Taurus. Alright Bunny, where are you? This is your punishment. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. I open booster packs every day, so it's worth it. Thank you so much guys.